Alt-Shift-L. Alt-Shift-L. Quick links heading level 2. Tab. Navigation left pair tab. Navigation visited tab. Navigation viz tab. Start here visit tab. Content tab. Start here tab. Welcome to tab. Syllabus tab. Schedule tab. Modules tab. Discussions tab. DIY task tab. Journals visited lit tab. Quizzes visit tab. Wikis visit tab. Virtual office tab. Learner support with tab. Gradebook with tab. Top frame tab. Current locate. Caps lock on. Met tab. Course menu tab. Lay's course visited link. Navigate enter. Course menu navigation region. Lay's course heading level 3 tab. Lay's course heading tab. Start here link tab. Syllabus link tab. Course schedule tab. Weekly module tab. Discussions link tab. DIY pro tab. Journals visit tab. Quizzes link tab. Virtual office hour tab. Learner support link tab. Grade enter. My grades and -Lay's course -Mozilla Firefox. My grades and -Lay's course -Mozilla page has 4 Alt-Shift-L. Quick links heading level 2. Tab. Navigate tab. Navigation tab. Navigation tab. My grades link. Enter. My grades heading level 1. Heading level 2 content. Order by colon. Combo box course order. List of 4 items. Link all. Link graded. Link upcoming. Link submitted. List end. Item list activity credit link video captioning quiz. Test. June 13. To action plan do colon journal. June 13. Graphic in progress. Link module 1 introduction to accessibility. Tab. Needs grading graph tab. View rubric button. Tab. Needs grading graph tab. View rubric button. Shift tab. Needs grading graph tab. View rubric button. Tab. Needs grading graphic. Link project number 3 accessible PDF. Assignment. View rubric button. June 13. When graphic needs grading. Project number 4 assignment. View rubric button. Upcoming /10. Tab. View tab. Needs grade tab. Needs tab. View description button tab. Grading criteria tab. 2.00/5. Weighted total.